Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to another Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. Alright, so here's what we're looking at, right? It's pretty obvious, and I have to make mention of this part of it that's very unique, very distinct to me, fairly new to the game. We usually look at Rizoma packaging as the top tier of things. In this joint, we're gonna be looking at something that's pretty special to me. Just received it hot off the press, and I was so stoked I had to get this video cracking right away. And this is why we need you guys to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Hit that thumbs up, because we're grinding. We want to make the channel better for you guys. This is a very distinct one to me, okay? We're looking at a Ducabike sub company. Usually when companies have sub companies, things tend to dilute a little bit, but in this case, they've actually upped the game. I know, right? This is what we're taking a quick look at today, guys. This is the Ducabike sub company. This is an umbrella company under Ducabike. It's called Performance Technology, made in Italy, so you know the quality is gonna be lit. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. Of course, this is the model that you're looking at here. Inside of it, you're gonna find the, of course, foam padding to protect your clutch and brake levers. Let's take a look inside and see what comes in the package. Right, when we open the packaging, you're gonna be greeted with the clutch and brake lever and some Motivation USA swag, some stickers, of course. When you order, make sure you hit the website. The link will be provided down below. You should get some of these swag stickers. They're really cool. I'm highly impressed with this, and it's not a very common thing that we see when we're looking at motorcycle parts where they take the packaging game slightly above, but we're not gonna stick on that. Let's talk about the product. So, clutch and brake levers, CNC machine, billet aluminum. Of course, it's Ducabike. The quality is gonna be dope. This is gonna be the clutch side. You can see how beautiful the quality is. And of course, they're foldable. That's the hinge here in case of anything were to happen. But this is the part that I wanted to highlight to you guys. You see how that could be adjusted fairly easy on the go. And if you don't even want this part to be part of the lever, you can easily just remove these two screws here, and then you should be free. Here's what makes this special to me. So when you're shopping for brake and clutch levers, you have two options. You can go with shorty levers, or you can go your full length. Some people prefer that. Some people prefer shorties. Most bike OEM comes with like your standard length, but with this Ducabike product, clutch and brake lever, the option is just there. You don't have to pick and choose which way you want to go. You can just buy this specific version of the clutch and brake lever. The extension part of either the brake or the clutch side can either be removed, okay? So that's the colored accent part, and it becomes a shorty lever. If you prefer, maybe you're going to do track, you prefer to ride a certain way, you want to have the entire extension, you just put that back on, quickly tighten it up, you're good to go. It's super versatile. The choice is yours. You just buy it. When you want to ride with shorties, do it. If you want to go out there and pop wheelies, it's all good. Make it short. You want to be able to two-finger grab real quick, or maybe one-finger grab if you hydraulic clutches out there. Right up here, you will see the dial. You can change between 1 all the way up to 5 based on how you're feeling and what gives you the best grip. But you could see the anodized black, guys, very rich looking. You can tell this stuff is quality. Nothing's gonna rust over time. You have quality all over. As you can see here, this is coming straight out of the packaging. These guys took an extra step to kind of cover the pivoting point where this gets inserted into the actual brake master cylinder. Sometimes these hinges tend to move out, the bearing gets out of shape, and if you're buying a third-party one from, let's say, a less reputable company, these tend to be wonky sometime, and that could cause a major problem on the road where you could either crash or drop your bike or malfunction while you're on the road. So this is tested and covered. That way no mishap happened until you actually put it on your bike. You don't remove this until you place it, so you know it's safe, no issues there. Again, you have 5 levels of adjustment on the brake side as well. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, you can adjust this to make it longer, just like your OEM, or you can just remove it completely, make it super shorty lever style. Some people do like that. I tend to like that quite a bit. I think that's a dope look for the Hyper. And even sometimes what I tend to have personally when I'm riding, maybe on the clutch side, I much prefer the shorty style. I usually, when I'm engaging the clutch on the Monster, it's an hydraulic clutch. You only need maybe one finger or two finger to actuate that lever. So a shorty is perfectly fine. And if you have the cable throttle, having the full thing where you can grip, sometimes that works best for some people, but you have the option without having to spend double the money. That is thinking outside the box. That's moving forward. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorship. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotivationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. Let us know what you're looking for. And remember, ride safe and ride often.